Does your assignment require a number of credible sources? Did you know that depending on your topic, different types of sources can be more useful than others? Let's talk about the information cycle. The information that you find on social media usually includes the newest and latest information, but it can often lack depth and complete details. TV and radio may sometimes have a little more to report on, but it too will often miss key elements because the information is still very new. Newspapers can offer more specific details because there has been more time to gather information, and the story is usually published a day or more after an event has occurred. Magazines and popular periodicals will pick up the story later down the timeline, usually a few weeks after the event. This information will be presented in article format and will usually offer some form of analysis because the author, often a journalist who specializes in that area, will have had enough time to go over and consider the immediate facts. These are considered popular sources because they are created over a short amount of time, are written using language accessible to most readers, and usually only describe the event without much in-depth coverage. Scholarly sources, on the other hand, are created months to years after an event has taken place. This type of material is considered more authoritative than popular sources. They are usually written by people who are experts in their field and will include research and data to back up any claims that are made. The first type of scholarly material to be created after an event would be a research article. This material will generally include analysis of previous literature, a detailed examination of the subject, as well as original research. The articles are published in academic and scholarly journals, which are often peer-reviewed by other experts in the field. Scholarly sources also include books, such as academic textbooks and reference books like encyclopedias. This content can take years to get published because it includes extensive research and provides a more comprehensive view of the topic. Now that you know about the information cycle, you are ready to start your research. Just remember to look at where your source falls on the information cycle timeline and whether or not it suits the requirements for your assignment.